Today for show and tell, I got another e-bike. Surprise! Oh. This is the HOVSCO HovRanger Step-Thru Commuter with 27.5-inch wheels. Well, that's a first. The kickstand's not installed. It says to install the handlebars next. I normally do the front wheel, but I'll do the handlebars. It stands on its own, fairly sturdy. I guess handlebars it is next then. So they tell you to install the handlebars, but what they don't say is that this is facing the wrong way. There we go. Okay. So what's neat is they actually tell you where the front is with that little circle and the two lines. Alright, I got everything in there. Now hopefully I can tighten it down. Okie doke, I got the handlebars on. I'm gonna put this into this little doodad. Alright, fender. Hopefully I put this on the right way. Although I think with this one it's kind of hard to mess it up. Alright, I'll tighten that one later, but first, these guys. Alright, I know I definitely had your attention on the screws that I was screwing in, so next, I'm gonna do this one. Oh, that's right, it's a different tool. I don't know why it can't be the same tool. Front fender on. The next part really brings me a lot of joy. Oh, the front wheel. It's time to put it on. Yay. This has to come out, and then this goes on. Holy ships! That was actually really easy. And my tripod, it's sliding down. Gotta put this on next. There'll be a spring on each side. So I'm gonna remove one of the caps. And then I'm gonna slide that through there. So now on the other side, I'm putting back the spring first and that cap and tightening it down.
And that's what holds the wheel in place. Just that itty bitty little bar. And you'll know if it's too tight because you won't be able to get this part up. But it has to have some resistance. Okay, not that much resistance. Ow.
After putting on the handlebars, I realized they're not exactly where I need them to be. So here I am readjusting. Before I put the pedals on, which is the final step, just wanted to show you. The seat is adjustable and there is a minimum insertion point. The pedals are labeled left and right there. So usually one screws in clockwise and then the other one counterclockwise. Yep. button down, and ta-da! Bike assembled. Oh wait, no, there's still this part. Some sort of guard. Never mind. They recommend going to an e-bike expert to install this part. The tools for this are not provided, but it goes over here somewhere, and I really don't want to mess with any of this. So for whatever reason, the bike comes locked at 5 miles per hour. So if you try to hit the throttle, it'll cap you out at 5 miles per hour. Now that little barcode that's on the computer, for Apple users, if you scan that, it brings you to the website where you can get the app. For Android, it didn't really work for me. So for Android, there's going to be an app in the Play Store. I mean, it's already there. Here's what it looks like. But it's so new, I think they just tossed it up like today or the day before. It didn't work for me, but I'm being told it will work in the near future. And I'm being told they also provide US-based customer support if you have any questions about that app or really anything else. So they want me to test this going uphill, but I'm kind of in an area where there's really no hills, but I'll go look for one. I'm a really fast cyclist, as you can see. This is, of course, in real time. Anyways, I'm gonna go over some specs, which you can also find on the website. The link will be down below in the video's description. So this is a class 2 e-bike, but with the app, you can get it to class 3. So I got it up to like 21 or 22 miles per hour. A class 3 can go up to 28. A 720 watt-hour battery lasts up to 60 miles. It doesn't mean you're gonna get 60 miles. It really depends how you're using the bike. If you're just holding down the throttle, the bike can last up to about 40 miles, and with pedal assist, then it's up to like 60 miles. So the battery, it's a 48 volt. Yes, 48 volt, 15 ampere hour Samsung LG lithium-ion battery. The torque sensor, let me just toss up this part right here from their website. It samples pedaling almost in real time and adjusts output power optimally to achieve a highly satisfying riding experience. I have no idea what I just said, but it does have pedal assist. It definitely helps because without it, it's quite a workout, and it's smooth, it's not jerky. I think I found a hill. Up next, a side-by-side comparison. You got me not pedaling on my e-bike and some random stranger that went up right behind me pedaling on his bike. It's a little steeper than it looks, but not much. I'm gonna tackle this hill one more time because I realized I didn't film the part where I actually pedal up. I just used the throttle. So now you're gonna see a little torque sensor action. Much easier with the torque sensor than, well, without it. The throttle works too, but pedaling uphill is easy. And now we're nearing the end of the video, so it's all downhill from here. I will say the brakes work. They work really well. That's wonderful. And that's really all I had to say. So here's going to be a few more clips where I tried to film myself riding the bike, and I didn't do very well, so toodaloo-lee. If you want to check out the bike, the link will be down below in the video's description. I'm back home. 6.4 miles, and the last mile I did without any assistance, and it was brutal because I'm a little out of shape.